Discharge of client from the hospital. This is topic discharge of the client from the hospital. Start the video. Introduction. The care of the client in the illness. This admission and discharge are for the total impression mode on the client, by which institutions the nurse play on the important role in care of the client in illness. This admission and the discharge are for the total impression made of client by the which institutions the nurse play of the important role to establish a good relationship with a client and his her relatives from the time of the admission. His her relation for from the time of the admission till the discharge process. Discharge from the hospital should never come except this the discharge of the client should be the friend of the client. The patient should be in the from early of the day of the which he can leave the hospital. Discharge procedure. Discharge procedure. First point, no client solve with a discharge without the doctor written order. Don't discharge patient in doctor permission written order. Discharge. Second, instruction regulating further care medication. Treatment follow up the should be clearly written and the explained to the client and her family members. This is patient treatment explain the patient and patient family members. Third point, provide the client with the medication or the direct him to the purchase what is needed for him. Fourth, client personally belonging such as the clothing, money and other value which where can to the hospital personal time of the admission should be the check and the written and the nurse should get a receive at the time delivery. Fifth point, any of the hospital property that was given to the client for his use in the hospital. Any of the hospital property that was given to the client for his use in the hospital should be check and the receive back of the before the client leave. Before the client leave. 6 point, before the client leave the hospital, the nurse should confirm whether he is the paid or not all the hospital bills. 7, see that the client is ready to go home. Accidentally better hair comb and the dressed in the client cloth. This patient go home and ready of the hair comb and cloth completely ready of patient. 8 point, if the client is not able to walk or not allowed to work to the converse, the nurse should see that he is safely transferred either on a stretcher on a well care seat at the hospital. Attendant transfer the client up to the front door if possible. Ninth, the dirty department should be the inform of the client discharge. The dirty department inform in the client of discharge. Discharge time is information of dirty environment. 10 point. Nurse should that the chart are complete and set to the office or to the record section to be the field. Patient record properly filled in patient and nurse. Thank you guys.